folks. Early morning start. We left mum and dad's about 5:30ish, and we're now down at the lake. It's Hicks Farm near Hanningfield. I'm here with my dad already, and my nephew's just got here. There he is. Yeah.
Hi.
It's a club water. Dad had two small fish already float fishing.
Caught two already.
I'm going to be using my method feeder.
Pellet.
I've got some new bits today. So I'm sticking with the chocolate orange theme.
Huh? What size? 8 mil.
But I've now got some sinkers. And I bought some chocolate orange haze as well to liven up the pellets. So yeah, I'm going to finish getting set up, chat with my nephew and brother-in-law for a bit, and then get out. Right guys, just had my first fish, a little F1. It wasn't big so I didn't bother filming it, but it's the first F1 I've ever had, so still getting liners. Marley had a nice one on his pole in the margins, probably about £4. There's a fish just swam right in front of me. Probably £2-3. That's getting a lot of bites, but not managing to land many of them at the moment. It's nice then, there's us 4 fishing and there's 2 other guys in the opposite corner at the moment. They've had a handful each. Yeah, I've just changed over. I started off with a size 10 bayonet guru ready-made rig. I've just swapped over to a homemade size 12 banded hook length, and I've gone down from an 8mm. The 8mm sinker, I've now got a 6mm wafter, and it seems to have done the job. Yep. I don't know if I've seen it yet.
That's a nice feeder rod, Joe. Where did you get that?
I got this at the show.
Huh?
I got this at that show.
Oh, is it? Nice one, isn't it?
Yeah.
What pound's that? £1.5 or something like that? Test curve.
Don't know. Don't say. No, it's only a small one again. Very lively.
What is it?
Just a small common.
Huh?
Just a small common.
Yeah. Marley's into another one. Got enough of Marley?
There we go.
No, it's like plastic. Oh, that ain't bad, is it?
Nice colour. Oh, back into the net. Yep. About a third of the way out.
Got one, Joe?
Yeah.
You okay, Marley? Right. That's a better one, Joe.
Yeah, slightly better.
What's yours like, Marley?
Wait, have we got three? Have we got a triple header?
Joe's got one as well.
Dad's got one as well. Triple header.
And Dad's got one.
Wait, should we all bring it over here? Wait, I'll bring them over here.
I'm getting wet here.
Wait, Joe, should we all bring them over here?
That's good.
Should we all bring them over here?
Hang on a minute.
Come on, Joe, bring it over here with him.
Yeah. Oh, that's a decent sized one. It's not bad. It's not bad.
That's all right.
Ooh, I got you now.
That's all right. All right.
You got your one unhooked, Marley?
No, let me just go and do it now.
Unhook it. Then Joe can bring his over and we can take a picture.
So Dad's now fishing with bread flake. Oh, that's his swim. And he's got one. Has he? No, it's pulled out. There's a load of fish on the surface, eh?
Yeah, that was on a fake maggot.
See,
You are?
That was on a fake maggot.
Maggot.
Fake maggot.
Fake maggot.
Fake maggot.
loads of fish about on top.
That was.
On the surface, yeah. Oh, missed it.
Is that a big bat? Oh, well, a good one. Look at him.
Yeah. Another little common. Bit of a check-in, guys. It's 10 o'clock. We all had fish. We all had a few fish. Mine's
Oh,
just
that's
had
not
a
bad little one, Marley, is it?
mine's still a fully scaled. It's quite nice. So I've got the pictures. I will put some pictures in as well. Yeah, I think I've had about 5 or 6 now, including a couple of F1s. So, I'll say it's a fun day. We've been out a few hours now. I've got a few more, so we shall do some more filming as we go along. I'll show you a bit more of the lake later on as well. Right guys, this is my swim. This is my swim today. I'm fishing out to around about that sort of area. Probably about 30 yards or so. Molly's set up over there. He's got the best swim because it's just by the lilies. And Dad, who's into another one. He's just surface fishing with a bit of bread. And probably had at least 8 to 10. Oh, go off though. And Martin's down here. You went well, Martin, no? Just gonna take a little wander down here. So that's the main section of the lake there. And this side seems to be a bit narrower. I mean, it's got all swims set out. There is a bit of a dip before you get into it, so which can be a bit tricky, but yeah, and it goes around now. So it's a nice lake. Like I said, a lot of small fish in it, all having fun catching. So I'm going to get back to it and see if I can get more on the bank. Into another one again. He's only fishing for about a year or so, year and a half. Actually. He's learnt a lot in a short space of time. He really enjoys it, which is great. Oh, just swam out the net. Thing again. Yeah, it's just a little small common, probably under a pound, so we'll leave it at that. Oh guys, it's gone very quiet for me. I've not caught anything for about an hour or so. It's now just gone 12. Dad's bagging up. Lost count of how many fish he's had on the bread. He's just had a couple that have weighed 5.5 pounds. Marley's got one of them as well.
Oh
Yeah.
my god!
Marley and Dad are both on the surface now.
I've had a fish like from over there to down here on his tug.
I saw a little bit of it.
It's just like, what's going on?
Yeah, so I'm still on the method. It's been the sun's been out for a while, but clouds are really starting to roll in again, which is a bit ominous. Still getting your little liner. I'm not getting any bites. I may switch over to the smaller swing feeder in a minute. Smaller method feeder.
I can't believe my bank stick went over like that.
1 o'clock, and there was just a bit of a. Mum just got a £6-8 common, and Martin got a £7 3 at the same time. So, and at that point, Dad had his rod out and almost got taken into the water. I still got.
That's definitely the biggest one I've had from here.
Yeah, it's going slow for me at the moment. But still, I've had like
No mileage that bigger.
8 or 9 fish.
I don't mind it that bigger.
It's fishing in up to mid-double-ish. Not many, I don't.
Tell you, that felt like a good fish on there as well, Frank.
Huh?
That felt like a good fish.
Catch up the one.
See it?
Hopefully I'll be able to show you fishing. Oh, it's quite right in front of Grandad, look.
I don't know. It's quite well for. Method feeder master. Aren't you?
Well, I wouldn't say master, but I've been trying it this year, Marlon.
So you've got the most on the method feeder today.
Bigger than the last one, let's put it that way. It's no monster.
Yeah. Oh, he's kiting well good. Fish. Give me 10 in it.
Thank you. You wet?
Well done.
That's a bit better job, isn't it?
Ugh.
It's got me wet as well. He hit me on the shoulder.
Yeah, I know.
Frisky little things.
In the bottom lip.
Bottom lip. What would you say? 2 maybe?
Yeah. Just over 2, I think.
You're scraping the £2.
Actually, might be 2.5. It's a really nice bite. Feels a bit of fish.
Another one?
Yep. Definitely a good pull on the rod.
Better job.
Feels it. Well, it doesn't look it. In a minute.
What's it like?
It's about the same sort of size.
Huh?
It's about the same sort of size, about £2.5.